Astrology, the study of celestial bodies, influence on human affairs, offers profound insights into personality, relationships, and life events based on the positions of planets, stars, and other cosmic factors at the time of one's birth. A related field, astrocartography, maps out the specific locations around the world where these celestial influences are most potent, helping individuals identify the best places for personal growth, career success, or spiritual development. Astrological events, such as planetary transits, eclipses, and retrogrades, are not only observable in the present, but can also be predicted far into the future with a high degree of accuracy. By analyzing the movements and cycles of celestial bodies, astrologers can forecast significant life themes, challenges, and opportunities for years to come, offering a valuable framework for understanding the timing of key events in one's life. The Earth, in many ways, operates like a vast cosmic clock, with its movements and cycles meticulously governed by the sun, moon, and other celestial bodies. This precision allows astrologers to predict major astrological events such as eclipses with remarkable accuracy. The Saros cycle, for instance, allows astronomers and astrologers alike to anticipate when eclipses will occur, sometimes even centuries in advance. These celestial alignments are not random, but follow a rhythm as predictable as the ticking of a clock, creating a sense of order and structure in the cosmos. As a result, astrological events like eclipses have been historically associated with powerful shifts and turning points. They can be forecasted with perfect accuracy, offering insight into the natural flow of time and the unfolding of life's major themes. While the modern Gregorian calendar, which is widely used today, consists of 12 months, there have been instances in history where calendars with 13 months were used. These variations emerged in response to cultural, astronomical, and practical needs. The ancient Egyptians used a 13-month lunar calendar known as the lunar calendar of Thebes. This calendar was based on lunar cycles. The Mayans developed a sophisticated calendar system, including a 13-month cycle called the Tzolk'in, which consisted of 28-day months. This calendar was used for ceremonial and agricultural purposes. Horizontal time is the kind of time most people recognize, linear, sequential, and measured by clocks and calendars. It is the time of events unfolding one after another, present becoming past, and future becoming present. In horizontal time, causality appears slow and external, and change seems to require duration. Growth, learning, healing, and decay are all assumed to take place gradually, because horizontal time is experienced as movement across a line. This framework trains the mind to expect delay, effort, and accumulation. The conscious mind can only process about 15 bits of information per second of linear time. In vertical time, the unconscious mind of the human aura and energy body can process over 70 million bits of information per second. There are filters placed over your perception that limit sensory input and information overload. Vertical time, by contrast, does not move forward, it moves inward. It is not measured in seconds, but in states of awareness. In vertical time, transformation happens through shifts in perception, rather than through the passage of duration. A realization, decision, or insight can collapse years of horizontal time into a single moment. The mind can reorganize meaning instantly, rewriting the interpretation of the past and the expectation of the future in one internal movement. Nothing happens outwardly, yet everything changes. The speed of vertical time processing is almost incomprehensible because it operates beneath conscious narration. The subconscious can evaluate patterns, memories, emotions, and possibilities simultaneously, integrating vast amounts of information in what feels like an instant. This is why moments of clarity, intuition, or profound understanding can arise suddenly without logical steps. What would take years of experience in horizontal time can be integrated in a flash of vertical time because of the processing power of the subconscious mind. When someone learns to access vertical time deliberately through deep attention, presence, or altered states, the sense of limitation imposed by horizontal time begins to loosen. Change no longer feels bound to long sequences of cause and effect. It becomes a matter of alignment. Vertical time reveals that the mind is capable of extraordinary speed, not by rushing, but by stepping outside the timeline altogether. In that still point, the entire timelines of belief, identity, and possibility can be revised at once. The observer effect transcends the idea of mere physical measurement, entering the realm of consciousness and perception. According to Hermetic philosophy, reality is shaped not just by external forces, but by the consciousness that perceives it. When an observer engages with the universe, their awareness influences the energetic field of possibilities, crystallizing one aspect of reality from the infinite potentials that exist in the ether. This reflects the Hermetic principle of mentalism, which asserts that the universe is akin to a mental construct, and that consciousness holds the key to its unfolding. By becoming aware of one's own thoughts and intentions, the observer can shape the very fabric of existence, subtly guiding reality into the form they perceive. Psi fields are a concept used in parapsychology, metaphysics, and speculative physics to describe an invisible energy field associated with consciousness, thought, or life force. The term psi is derived from the Greek letter, which has long been used as a symbol for the mind and psychic phenomena. In this framework, psi fields are imagined as subtle energy structures that extend beyond the physical body, interacting with both biological systems and the environment. They are sometimes proposed as the mechanism underlying extrasensory perception, ESP, telekinesis, telepathy, and other paranormal phenomena. From a more metaphysical standpoint, psi fields are seen as part of a continuum of energetic layers that compose living beings, similar to ideas found in traditions such as the aura in spiritualism or as qi in Chinese philosophy, or prana in yogic philosophy. Proponents suggest that psi fields serve as a medium for non-local information exchange, allowing thoughts, emotions, or intentions to influence distant systems without direct physical contact. These fields continue to inspire research into boundaries of consciousness and the potential non-material aspects of reality. A Faraday cage is an enclosure used to block electromagnetic fields, named after the English scientist Michael Faraday, who invented it back in 1836. A Faraday cage works by redistributing electric charges around the exterior of the cage, canceling out electric fields and electromagnetic radiation inside. This makes it highly effective at shielding electronic equipment and sensitive devices from external interference or preventing signals from escaping. The cage can be made from a continuous conducting material, like metal sheets, or from a mesh of conductive materials, such as a wire grid. The effectiveness of the shielding depends on factors like the material used, the thickness of the walls, and the size of the openings in the mesh. Even though electromagnetic waves can pass through holes in the mesh, they are blocked if the holes are significantly smaller than the wavelength of the radiation. Faraday cages are used in many practical applications. In electronics, they protect devices from electromagnetic interference. Laboratories and secure facilities may use them to conduct experiments without signal interference or to block sensitive data from being intercepted. Everyday examples include the metal casing of a microwave oven, which keeps the radiation contained, or the shielding around cables that carry sensitive signals. Faraday cages also have a limitation. While they block external electric fields, they do not protect against static or slowly varying magnetic fields. However, for most purposes involving radio frequencies and electrical noise, Faraday cages remain an essential and effective solution.